Hello, my name is Dave Butler. I am the lead customer service agent with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to edit inside of Oxygen Builder when using the Chrome extension. Clicking to open the Chrome extension, I will then click to start. After this brief loading period, I'm then going to select either Pop Secret Key or I'm logged in, depending on how I have access to the report. I'm logged in and the report's in my account, so I'll select I'm logged in. After that, I will then select the appropriate page run, which is Add Astra, using Oxygen. I'm inside my website's editor, so I'll click to confirm that this is the correct page run, and then click Start Now. Scrolling down, I can see that my page needs quite a bit of work. So I'll begin by clicking on the page title, and then adding my exact keyword to my H1, which is Add Astra. I'm then going to save those changes and then check my optimization score. Scrolling up, I can see that my score has increased by about 20.10%. I'm now going to scroll down and let's begin working on our subheadings. Let's write Add Astra, a box office hit film. Let's go ahead and make this make sense. Then we're going to save again, check our optimization score, it is seeing the terms we have added, and our score has further increased. Let's finish this off by editing some main content. We can see Add Astra, Outer Space, Box Office, Marketing Campaign, Star Rating, Ticket, Film, Movie, Learn TV Reviews, as well as some other terms. So let's get to typing. Add Astra. A seemingly cryptic title. It's actually Latin. Roughly translated, it means 2 stars. Let's go ahead and period. This go ahead and write America has been enthralled with space ever since the iconic space race. I am no different. I've been looking to the stars since I was a kid and wondering if I could ever see them in person or if they would ever sense to me. Let's go ahead and save what I've written so far and check our optimization score. We can see it spotted the terms I've added, so let's scroll up and see how our score has changed. We can see yet again it has increased slightly. However, my score is still 25.95. As such, I need to do more edits before my page is ready to hit the SERPs. But with that, you now know everything you need to know in order to get started with the PopChrome extension inside of the Oxygen editor. Without further ado, and as always, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and happy optimizing!